Welcome to the Rainforest Executive Condominium. This condo is located within 5 minutes walks to the MRT and Lot-1 shopping mall. It's a 2+1 study located on the mid floor. A tastefully done up living and a spacious balcony. They command one of the best views within the development, overlooking the pool and the greenery. Imagine enjoying a breakfast and a cup of coffee every morning at your favorite cozy corner. Kitchen is right next to the living and dining with a partial see-through glass wall for additional natural lighting. Elegantly designed living that comes with a retractable dining table and a study room which can be converted into a bigger living. Common room is right next to the study, which also have the same view as the balcony. A treadmill and a king-size bed can be seen in this master bedroom, overlooking the pool and the greenery as well. Both the common and master bathroom are well maintained. Let's proceed down to another pool. Swim to your heart contents at this 50-meter lap pool. Or simply relax at the leisure pool under the fountain near the clubhouse. Or enjoy a treadmill run and exercise at the gym. The playground is just around the corner, and a tennis court. Contact us for more information.